Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I am very satisfied with how many people are here. Not everybody is here, of course not. No. And I know that. I hope you don't think that I am incompetent. Well, Larkin Sensei is an English teacher. He doesn't understand computers or software or he doesn't know how to use these applications. Some people will cry in August. Why did I get a bad grade? Kumasawa Sensei, Larkin Sensei gave me a bad grade. He told me you didn't come to class. How does he know that? Like I told Ko, I know everything. No, I don't. I don't think I know everything. But I do know how to use software. So I will give you a chance to do mic check for your speakers, and like I offer all the PowerPoint presentation classes, if the speaker doesn't have good Wi-Fi, you can share. That means one person can control the PowerPoint and the speaker does the speaking job. So confirm everybody's job. Objects, key points, and background. And not too many sentences. Now the speaker speaks the sentences, really and truly. And I know you have to watch some PowerPoint presentations that violate all the rules. And there are professors doing the presentations, so you can't do anything except that's why I'm teaching you. There is a better way, and it's been known for a very long time. And I'm sitting right under the air conditioner. I'm using both my screens, so it's making it a little warm in the room, so the air conditioner is working harder, so my voice goes, even when I'm not talking so much. Now you know I recycle my bottle. So, from now, I'll show you a picture, our schedule. Now, we are at 15. That's the first class of the second quarter. We're in the semester thing, but a semester is 2 quarters, and then 1 quarter is 8 classes, and a partridge in a pear tree. So there's 7 more classes. And every class is a study class, a presentation class, a talking class, no test. This is the test. Improving your listening skills. Improving your critical thinking skills. improving your communication skills. You did well for the first time. Now, next week is going to be a continuation of the foundation of using PowerPoint to establish your stories. You've heard me use that word before, and another word, a narrative. A narrative is the jargon word, and story is the simple communication word. But, you know, like the misunderstanding about theory, story has big power. The word story has big power. Like the word theory has very big power. Case by case, how you use it. I am using story, you know, in its big meaning. What you are communicating. Your introduction, support, 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 conclusion. I will share my screen. We're in Manaba, and I'm clicking assignment. The 20th of June, the 4th writing assignment deadline. I only see one person. I do want to remind you sorry I didn't prepare, but my channel, Larkin's English Communication, content. Now there are 4, May 7th, May 14th, May 7th, May 14th, June 9th, 2 and June 9th. Planning your writing, making a plan, how to build a paper for 3rd year students, how to build a paper for 1st and 2nd year students. I've given you resources, but you have to read the articles and make your plan, make your first draft, and then make your final draft and upload it. I know you can do it. How do you know that, Professor Larkins? Because all my students can do it. It's not some secret technique that only geniuses can do. No, it's human. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you have in your working life, I don't care where you work, you have to make reports. And most of you will have to do presentations. So please, listen to me. I was really lucky. I had a very noisy professor like me. I copy his noise. And I listened to him. I learned how to improve my writing skills. I learned how to make good presentations. I was hired by a big engineering company, and my career went up like a rocket. Because I knew how to make good presentations. And so I was picked in my team. Make the presentation, make the presentation. The big bosses saw my presentations, remembered Mr. Larkins, and I got job chances. Part was luck. Success always, there's some percentage, 25.746% or more, luck. But it's also W-O-R-K, work. Not doing the easy thing. Using your thinking power, your critical thinking power, your creative power. Every one of us has creative power. Every one of us. 20 years teaching, third year mechanical engineers. I know you can write 16 paragraphs, 1,600 words. I know you can do that. I hope you guys have already read and made your plan and your outline and maybe your first draft, and you're working on your second draft. You still have time. 5 more days. Satsuma Jikan won't cut it. You won't make the cut. Well, you'll make a cut, but it's not a cut you want. You guys are doing good. So protect your grades. Be third year engineering students. Do the work. Don't run from it. Work together in making your discussions. And I am very satisfied with today's presentations. I will upload this to Vimeo, and you can watch it. Remember, 436 new infections yesterday in Kagoshima City. COVID is still here. Not that many people are in the hospital, but believe me, if it's a choice between being infected and staying home and escaping from infection, staying home and escaping from infection is the better idea. COVID-19 is not light. So be careful. And I will see you next Wednesday afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Goodbye.